Alright, you gotta pick him up. Show her how big he is. Turn him over. Hold him like a baby.
Come here.
Hold him like a baby.
Hey, what's wrong?
He's like, which room is this?
Hey, would you do me wrong?
Oh, do you hear a new boy? He's like, there's a new boy in our house. Rub his chin. Rub his chin. Say, aren't you so beautiful? Say hi. Say, I'm pretty. He's a pretty boy.
Oh, hey.
No, pick him up. Show me his pattern again. Turn him around.
That's the way, boy.
Oh, he's beautiful.